high-definition satellite loops of a developing storm system. Fast-paced cuts of NOAA hurricane hunters taking off. It's January 2026. Right now, 22,000 miles above us. A network of 15 satellites is scanning every square inch of our planet. They see the heat of a single echo wildfire and the birth of a hurricane before it even has a name. This is the National Oceanic and Atmospheric Administration and OAA. Segment goal: introduce NOAA's mission of science, service, and stewardship. Satellite constellations and the next-generation fire system. Key fact: explain how GOES-19 and the polar orbiting NOAA-21 provide real-time data to ground stations. 2026 update. Discuss the transition of the WAMIPE model to operations, which predicts dynamics in the upper atmosphere to protect GPS and communication satellites from space weather. 3D animations of the magnetosphere and satellite orbits. AI in forecasting, and the National Water Prediction Services walk through how raw data from Automated Surface Observing Systems ASOS is analyzed by the National Centers for Environmental Information and see expert soundbite simulated. In 2026, we're not just predicting rain. We're reusing AI to map flood inundation down to the street level hours before it happens. Side-by-side comparison of old radar versus 2026 high-resolution predictive modeling, deep ocean exploration, and 2026 expeditions. Featured project: highlight the Beyond the Blue campaign and the NOAA Shipokina's Explorer S 2026 mission to the Pacific Islands. 2026 update. Mention the focus on blue carbon habitat restoration and climate-ready fisheries to support a sustainable blue economy, long-term climate monitoring, and public safety. Closing message. Emphasize that while technology has advanced, social science is now the last mile, ensuring people know how to act on warnings. Call to action: direct viewers to weather.gov for local forecasts, or climateengine.org to explore satellite data themselves. Final visual: a sunset over a calm ocean with the NOAA logo. Science, service, stewardship.